Evan. What you doing? What are you doing? Oh, what color is that? Oh, really? Is it orange? Can you say orange? Oh, yeah, color Elmo's toes. What are you coloring now? Is that his mouth? Pretty. Want to color with red? Oh, pink. Pink's hard to see. It's light. Dorothy! Dorothy the fish. Can you say fish? Will you try blue? Where's blue? It's okay. Where's blue? Where's blue? Blue. Yay! That's blue. Pretty.
He's coloring the water.
I know. Hi, Blue. Evan, can you say love you?
Love you.
Can you say adios?
I love.